Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two top-rated robot vacuums in the ring, ready to battle it out for the title of the best cleaning companion. In the blue corner, we have the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max, and in the red corner, we have the roborock Q5 Plus. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top in each category. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes in at an affordable $249, making it a great budget-friendly option for those looking to automate their cleaning routine. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Plus is priced at $699, which might be a bit steeper for some. However, it's important to consider the features and performance alongside the price. When it comes to cleaning performance, both these robot vacuums have some impressive features. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max boasts incredible suction power. Thanks to its BoostIQ technology, this means it automatically increases suction within 1.5 seconds when it detects the need for deeper cleaning. With its super slim design, it can easily reach those hard-to-reach places. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Plus takes cleaning to the next level with its powerful 2,700 pascal suction. This means it can easily lift debris and pet hair from both floors and carpets. Plus, its multi-plane floating main brush ensures a deeper clean, even on uneven surfaces. So if you have pets or high-traffic areas, the Q5 Plus might be the one for you. Now let's talk about the smart features that make these robot vacuums stand out. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, an infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. It also automatically recharges, so it's always ready to clean when you need it. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Plus offers the convenience of hands-free cleaning with its self-empty dock. This dock automatically empties the Q5 Plus's dustbin after each cleanup, saving you the hassle of manual emptying. Additionally, its PreciSense LiDAR Navigation creates precise maps of your home, allowing for more efficient cleaning. You can even view these maps in 3D and recreate your home virtually. Battery life is always an important factor to consider in a robot vacuum. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max offers up to 100 minutes of cleaning time on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction. That's enough to tackle most homes in one clean. However, the roborock Q5 Plus takes it a step further with its high-capacity battery and 470 milliliters dustbin, ensuring longer cleaning sessions. Reviewers have praised the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max for its higher suction power and effectiveness in picking up dirt and dust. They also appreciate its random wandering pattern, which saves time and energy compared to traditional vacuums. However, some reviewers have mentioned the need for improvements in future models and the limitations of the remote control. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Plus has been highly recommended for its impressive technology, including mapping, room naming, scheduling, increased suction on carpets, and no-go zones. The app is easy to set up and offers multiple options. While there are some limitations with cable recognition and adjusting between floors, the Q5 Plus is still considered a good value for the money. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the roborock Q5 Plus in various categories, including price, cleaning performance, smart features, and battery life. Both these robot vacuums have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which one you would choose and why. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.